Hey guys, it's Bobby Legs, and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches. And today I have an unboxing video, and this one is supplied to my from my buddy Art. He sent in a watch, and I also bought a knife from him. So there's a knife in here, a knife in here, but we're going to do the watch first because that's what you guys really came to see. Now, I have been, as you guys know, a big fan of German watches, and I kind of want to focus a little bit more this year on that. So let's. I'm gonna try to bring in some more watches, and there's guys like Art and a couple other people, and other subscribers who are awesome. They, they're such great guys, and they have all these great watches, and they make them available to me for review, and I'm so grateful to them for that. And so let's open this one. This is a Damasko. Um, wow, I believe. Wow, that's awesome. That is awesome. I believe this is the DS37. Um, and this dial is white, but it's a loomed. It's one of those loom dials. So uh, look at that. That is so cool. Yeah, yeah. The blackout hour hands. And this is running on an ETA 2836, I believe. So not 2824 like you would see on a DS30. This is 1 millimeter bigger than that DS30. So let's get this guy cranking. There she goes. Um, what is the time? By the way, I'm wearing the titanium G-Shock. We got 805 here. And let's just put that over there. Let's go towards 806 over here. So let me just throw this on wrist, man. I could already tell that this is, I mean, that this strap feels so great. I could already tell. I could already tell just by like just feeling it for like two or 3 seconds. So let me throw this on wrist for you guys. Just bear with me. Of course, I am really bad at this, especially on camera. Oh yeah, this leather strap is fantastic. Holy cow. Wow, that's awesome. Um, Looking great here. Let's turn off the light because this is a full loom dial. The dial is loomed here. Okay, well, let's do this because I have this other light up here. Let's give it some juice. And there you go. Yeah, you could see it. You could see it coming through. And of course, in my review, I will. Yeah, there you go. I will give a full loom shot. Wow, that's what a good looking watch, man. Damasco makes a heck of a watch, really, really. And they flew under the radar for such a long time. Not anymore, man. I think you're seeing a lot of people really picking up Damasco and giving it its due for sure. Uh, Art always gives me these little field books. That this is awesome, man. He's the best, man. Like I said, it's because of guys like Art. Makes these things possible. Now, I see I have one of these. So this is the Kizer Sheepdog, and I just love the way it looks. Now this is the medium size one. There is a extra XL and a small, and so he was selling he was selling his, and it's the same size, but I don't know, man. I have a thing. I have a thing for these, man. I really, really do. I have a thing for these Kizer sheepdogs, man. So it's also in micarta. Um, oh yeah, oh yeah, that is awesome. The blade looks stone washed. Yeah, so there you go, side to side comparison. He's got a thumb stud here. Let's see how. Yeah, yeah. I mean, it's. I have. Yeah, I guess. Oh yeah. Okay. I was thinking that my thumb may not reach it because it is like a wide blade. But yeah, that's nice, man. That's nice. Okay, and so the last box here is another. This is a knife that I picked up from an online a YouTuber. I think his name is Apostle P. I really don't know nothing about him much. but he does do these sales every week, and he had a knife here there that looked really awesome. And it's been a knife that I've been wanting to pick up. Now it's not like a Chris Reeve, it's Spyderco, as you can see, but it is a Spyderco. It's a Manix 2. Yeah, Manix 2. But it's got a crazy looking handle. Oh yeah, it's kind of like this like camo, but it's not. I don't know. It's hard for me to explain. But oh yeah, look at this thing, man. Wow, that is nice. It's got a little access lock here. Okay, it's a little needs to be broken in a little bit. There you go. Awesome. I'll practice Spidey flicking this thing. Yeah, it's a little tight, but good looking knife. Really awesome. Very excited about this. Anyway, guys, so went a little knife direction at the end, but I'm looking forward to reviewing this guy. It's an awesome looking watch, man. You got this ice hardened case, full lume dial. ETA movement, man. Damasko, made in Germany. The tough watch. And the strap is really comfortable, man. I gotta say, wow, I'm really impressed right off the bat with the strap. So, anyway, guys, see you soon with a review.